Hey guys, how are you all? I Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna make this cute jhumkas that are very much useful for the coming functions like Raksha Bandhan or Ganpati or Diwali. So this is how they look and they are very lightweight to wear for the whole day because the size of the jhumka is small and these pearls are usually lightweight. So and they're very easy to make. It just that it takes a little time to craft these. So I hope that you enjoy this tutorial and will definitely try to make these jhumkas at home. And you may not find the same type of jhumka cap at your place, but you can try another jhumka cap and make this jhumka. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. If you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like these in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started. To make this cute jhumkas, we need first jhumka, and I had already added this L'Oreal here, but I'll show you how I did it. So I took this one L'Oreal here, and then we have to take this 30 gauge wire or Laria, and then wrap it with the help of this plier and to make a hole like this. So in this way we have attached. Then take this a small size pearl bead and add in this, and this structure you have to add in the whole of the jhumka. I had already added all these L'Oreals here, so I couldn't add now here, but this structure you have to add, and in this way you have to add in the whole all the holes of jhumkas, and this is how it will be. Now with the help of Laria we will attach these L'Oreals. So these are long pearl L'Oreals, are not the round pearl L'Oreals that I had taken. If you don't have these L'Oreals available, though they are usually available in the market, you can take this regular pearl L'Oreals also, and then add 2, 3 or 4 first, and then we will add one pearl bead in this. Now this is not going through, so I'll cut this bigger part of this Laria and add this pearl, and again we will add some L'Oreals in this, approximately 5 or 6. It totally depends on you. And then we will add this earring stud, and just wrap it around, and that's it. So basically the more time will be taken to add the dangles, as we are going to make the dangles with our own hand, and then we are going to attach it. Once the dangles are made, you can easily make the jhumka in 2 minutes. So that's it guys, that's it for this jhumka. So do try to make this jhumka. If you face any issue while making this jhumka, do let me know in the comments below so that I can solve that issue and also others can learn from it. If you like this video, do like, share, comment on it, and if you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like these in the future. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you soon. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.